Yo, 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 hey, yo. Yo, what is good, everybody? Back with another video. So today we are going to be talking about Logitech's MX Keys keyboard, compatible with Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS, and Linux. It's about $100 right now, a little expensive, but premium nonetheless, and I think it's definitely worth it. So why was the MX Keys a top contender? For me, it was having a keyboard that looked nice, had Bluetooth, and was comfortable to type on the entire day. I think this keyboard checks all of those boxes. Design-wise, I wanted something that was gonna look clean with my desk setup. As you can see, the keyboard was designed very well. It's got a nice sleek look to it. They used a darkish gray graphite type of color, and I think it complements my MX Master mouse quite nicely. Also, you'll notice these indentations they included in these keycaps where your fingers sit in. When you're typing, it adds a nice feel and improves fluidity of your keystrokes when using the keyboard all day. In terms of typing experience, typing on this keyboard es muy excelente. Enfrente tenemos typing on this keyboard is very excellent. It's super comfortable to type on, and it being a membrane styled keyboard, I have no complaints, and the key travel is good. So now looking at the shortcut keys, you got the multimedia controls here at the top, your basic F1 to F12 that we're all used to. For me, I mainly use it to control the backlighting and to control my music. The other keys I don't worry about so much, though Logitech does provide the option to customize these buttons through their software. I haven't really messed with it, and I kind of just left everything to default. Looking at the right side, we have the number pad. Very useful for me when inputting values or typing in numbers, especially in music production or when video editing. While having the number pad on the right side is nice, having used 60% keyboards, the keyboard does take up a lot more space than I'm used to. Also, there's a shortcut here for the calculator, and there's also this nice little screenshot button. All you gotta do is hold down the Windows key and that button at the same time, and it'll take a snapshot for you. In terms of Bluetooth, I don't like having too much wires on my desk, so having a keyboard that had Bluetooth was pretty important to me. With Bluetooth, it's less wires to worry about, and everything just looks a lot more nice. Also, while the USB receiver is included, I chose the latter. What I like the most about this keyboard is that it automatically connects every single time that I want to use it. Even after a PC shut down, it automatically connects each and every time, which is important to me. In terms of battery life, I bought this back a few months ago, and the battery right now is at 45%, which is pretty good, and I haven't had to charge it since. I'm using the keyboard the entire day, and my backlight settings are usually at the lowest setting, and so far so good. Also, with charging in mind, it does use USB-C, which is cool. Yeah, USB-C. So on this keyboard, you get 7 levels of backlighting, though I only set mine to 1 or 2. Max level is just way too bright. I'm also gonna go ahead and address the backlighting issue. You cannot have the backlight on the entire time unless it's plugged in. Lights will come on once your hands are in proximity of the keyboard, and then if your hands leave the keyboard, those lights turn off. It's kind of like getting up at night to use the bathroom. You turn on the lights, you do your thing, and then you go back to bed. But before you go back to bed, it's probably smart if you turn off those lights. So kind of the same idea here with the keyboard and how the backlight turns off. And maybe Logitech will issue a future update. Who knows? I don't know. It's up to Logitech, you know. But that's how they designed it, you know. I mean, I don't have any say in how to design it, but you know. So looking at the keyboard, definitely has some weight to it. It's pretty heavy. You know, it's a lot heavier than you would think. There is some slight flex, but you're really gonna have to try to mess with it. Very durable. Feels like a solid product, with it being made out of hard plastic and metal. Other features worth mentioning is the option to connect multiple devices. Here you get 3 dedicated buttons and it makes everything seamless. Usually I just have this keyboard connected to my desktop, but having the option of being able to add 2 more devices is pretty cool without having to reconnect it to another device. Also, Logitech does sell something that's called the MX Palm Rest, which is an accessory that you can buy to go along with your keyboard, and it's gonna be about 20 bucks to get it. Overall, the MX Keys is a solid keyboard with the sleek design, excellent battery life, Bluetooth functionality, and ease of typing. It's ultimately become my favorite keyboard to use if you're looking for a new keyboard and looking to increase productivity. I would definitely recommend getting this keyboard. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, I'm gonna catch y'all later. Peace. Hey. Hey, yo.